Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You sign into the same Microsoft 365 account in both Teams and Outlook. This is essential because the calendars link via your mailbox. Once signed in, make sure calendar permissions and organization sharing policies are enabled so events can surface. Next, install the latest Teams and Outlook desktop apps and update them. This avoids known bugs. Now that the basics are live, proceed to add your account in Outlook and check the calendar pane so you can confirm sync access. You open Outlook and add the same Microsoft 365 account if it's not already present, because Outlook reads calendar entries from your Exchange mailbox. Once done, switch to Teams and go to Settings General to confirm your organization account is active and calendar integration is enabled. This ensures meetings created in Teams appear in Outlook. Make sure Exchange Online or EWS server settings match in both apps. Mismatches block syncing. When those detailed settings align, you create a test Teams meeting with yourself and a colleague to verify entries appear in Outlook. This proves sync is working. If the item doesn't show, restart both apps, sign out and back in, or use Outlook send/receive and update folder to force synchronization. Make sure licenses include Exchange Online and check network connectivity to Exchange. If problems persist, clear Teams and Outlook caches and re-add the account. That single troubleshooting step often resolves token or cache conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.